Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So every HTML element has a parent element where it inherits its properties. For example, think Flexbox. If you have a container display flex, the children elements will have a Flexbox display. That display flex affects how they go. So we could affect this using a jQuery has a function called parent. And we can select the item and the children element, and we can select the parent element of that element. So here's an example of it. So we look at left row. So let's look at left row on the HTML. We see here, let me spread this. Left row. And we see here, this is what is a parent of it. So we can affect that with this parent function. So for this exercise, it wants us to give the parent of target one. Let's look at target one. Target one will be this well div container div. Okay, let me slide it back and set the background color to red. So this will turn red. So how we're going to do this is that we're going to do $, parentheses, quotations, hashtag, since it's an ID, target one, dot parent, and that's going to get the parent. And now we're going to do the CSS background color of red. And we see how that background color of that parent changes to red. And that will be it for this one. Thank you so much.